What's the meaning of compellingly? Compellingly. Compellingly.
Compellingly. Compellingly. The word compellingly refers to something that is so persuasive or convincing that it compels or urges action. It describes a situation where the force of the argument or evidence presented is powerful and undeniable. The result of a compelling argument is that the listener is driven to act upon it, often without hesitation. A compelling story or speech can move people emotionally and inspire them to take action. In short, compellingly indicates a strong sense of urgency or necessity that cannot be ignored.